The 2028 Brabus Bodo is here, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. Combining extreme luxury, aggressive styling, and breathtaking performance, this latest Brabus creation pushes the limits of what a high-end SUV can be. From the moment you see it, the Bodo commands attention with its bold presence, wide stance, and unmistakable Brabus DNA. At the front, the vehicle features a redesigned grille, larger air intakes, and an advanced LED lighting system that gives it a futuristic look both day and night. Every detail has been carefully crafted to improve aerodynamics while maintaining the muscular appearance Brabus fans love. The carbon fiber accents throughout the body at a premium touch while reducing weight for enhanced performance. Moving to the side, massive alloy wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly, giving the Bodo an athletic and confident stance. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, creating a design that feels both elegant and powerful. At the back, a sporty diffuser, quad exhaust outlets, and a full-width LED light bar complete the aggressive look. Step inside, and the 2028 Brabus Bodo transforms into a rolling luxury lounge. Premium leather upholstery covers nearly every surface, complemented by Alcantara accents, carbon fiber trim, and customizable ambient lighting. The cabin offers exceptional comfort for every passenger, with heated, ventilated, and massaging seats available throughout. Advanced noise insulation ensures a whisper-quiet ride, even at highway speeds. Technology is another area where the Bodo shines. A massive digital display stretches across the dashboard, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The latest AI-powered voice assistant responds naturally to commands, making everyday driving easier and more enjoyable. Wireless connectivity, premium surround sound, and multiple charging options ensure passengers stay connected wherever the journey takes them. Of course, no Brabus vehicle would be complete without extraordinary performance. Under the hood, the 2028 Brabus Bodo is expected to feature a highly tuned twin-turbo powertrain producing incredible horsepower and torque figures. Power is delivered through an advanced all-wheel drive system that provides exceptional traction and stability in all conditions. Acceleration is simply astonishing. Despite its size and luxury-focused nature, the Bodo can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, putting many sports cars to shame. The upgraded suspension system delivers a perfect balance between comfort and dynamic handling, allowing drivers to enjoy both long-distance cruising and spirited driving. Safety has also been taken to the next level. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping technology, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree monitoring. These features work together to provide confidence and peace of mind behind the wheel. The 2028 Brabus Bodo is more than just a luxury SUV. It's a statement of power, exclusivity, and innovation. Designed for those who demand the very best, it combines world-class craftsmanship with extraordinary performance in one unforgettable package. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest luxury and performance vehicle reviews. Let us know in the comments, would you drive the 2028 Brabus Bodo, or is there another dream SUV on your wish list? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.